Hi guys, happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today's Meatless Thursday and I'm going to make fried green plantains. Along with that, I'm going to make some cabbage. These are my ingredients. This is my plantains. This is the cabbage. I have vegetable oil for frying the plantains. These are the ingredients for the cabbage. All-purpose seasoning, black pepper, salt to taste, minced garlic, tomatoes, onions, organic coconut oil, fresh thyme, and bell peppers. Stay tuned, guys. So let's peel the plantain. So you're going to cut off this end and cut off the other end. And you're just going to go alongside here. Just like that. And for this, I'm going to cut it in like 3. Like so. Okay? Guys, so I have my vegetable oil in my pot. And I'm going to add my plantains to the oil. Check it out. Oh wow, guys, they're looking so pretty. Okay guys, so they're looking good. And I'm going to take these out and put them in some salted cold water. What I'm doing is to allow the plantain to cool. Okay guys, so the plantain has been cooling off in the cold salted water. Now I'm going to remove it and then I'm going to press it. So what you do, you get a bottle. Make sure you wash the bottom of the bottle off, okay? Or if you have a roller, you know, a pizza roller thing, you can use that. So I'm just going to use the bottle and like press down on it, like so. Just like that, okay? And then I'm going to return this to the oil to fry. So this is what it looks like after I press it. And I'm going to refry them, okay? Stay tuned. Just put it in your pan to fry. And you're going to cover your pot, okay? Let's check it out, guys. Alright, just going to turn it over. Just like that, okay? Okay guys, so this is what it looks like, nice and crispy. And then I'm just going to put it on my bacon wrap to drain, okay? Okay guys, let's do our cabbage. So I'm going to add my coconut oil. Allow that to melt. Next I'm going to add my onions. garlic. 3 minutes. Okay guys, this is looking good. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes. Allow the tomatoes to release the juices. Alright guys, look at this. Looking good. Now I'm going to add my cabbage. Add my all-purpose seasoning, my black pepper, and guys, you just add salt to taste. Oh guys, it smells so good in here. I'm going to add my thyme and my bell pepper. Now, I don't like my cabbage to be too soft, so I'm just going to cook this until it still has a little crunch to it, not too soft, okay? I'm not even going to cover the pot, I'm just going to keep stirring it and let it cook, okay? So stay tuned. So guys, my stove is on high heat, and basically I'm just allowing the cabbage to cook to my liking. So it's like a stir-fry cabbage. Okay, I'm not covering it, just keep stirring and allow it to cook. And look, it's already created its own juice. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, and I'm going to add some of my pepper from my pickled pepper along with the juice to it. Okay, I'll give it a nice stir. See that, guys? Perfect cabbage. My cabbage stir fry and my fried green plantains. This is my meatless Thursday dinner. I will put everything in the description box, and if you try this recipe, please let me know. As always, I thank you guys for watching, and if you're new here and you have not subscribed, I'm asking you to please hit that subscribe button, and I thank you. Until next time, be kind to others. One love.